Aditi Ashok narrowly missed out on becoming the first Indian golfer to win a medal at the Olympics, finishing fourth in Tokyo on Saturday. She was in medal contention for much of the 4 rounds but fell short, finishing a shot behind Japan's Mone Inami and Lydia Ko of New Zealand, who were tied for the silver medal and went into a playoff. She finished only 2 shots behind the gold medal winner Nelly Korda of USA. Aditi finished with a score of 269 with 15 under par to finish 4th overall after 4 rounds in the women's individual stroke play event.